welcome. My name is Kate. I am one of the product trainers here with Newline. By popular request, we've had a lot of folks that just would like to explore the Windows Whiteboard and how it works on the Newline panel, how to get in, how to maximize the features, especially with your new and fabulous touch technology. So let's go ahead and take a peek at this. So whatever Windows computer that you may have connected to the panel, so whether you're hardwired in from a laptop or a desktop, or if you have that nice OPS option that just clicks into the back of your panel, your Windows computer is a Windows computer. With that being said, you do have to select the Windows Ink workspace to get the Windows Whiteboard. So how would we do that, especially when I have the computer connected or it's at OPS? What do I click and how does that work? Think of this as a giant iPad or just a giant tablet. When you want to select something, with your mouse, you do that right click and then you can choose whatever it may be. Well, there is a trick for your touch panel to do that natively here. So in my Windows computer, this bottom gray dot, kind of my toolbar down here at the bottom, I either can take my mouse and right click in an empty space, or I can take my finger and do a press and hold. You can see how that little square popped up. And what I want to make sure that I have selected in here is Show Windows Ink Workspace. If you have that selected, you're actually going to get a very handy little icon. It is down here on your toolbar, very close to where your date and time is. But it is that little pen with a squiggly line. That is the Windows Ink Workspace. That is where you will find the Microsoft Whiteboard. So if I tap that little icon, because I have it selected, there we go. That's where I can find my Microsoft Whiteboard. Hopefully that's helpful. Continue to tune in. We're going to do a whole series of videos to walk you through the features and steps to maximize this whiteboard on your Newline panel. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk again soon.